Alright guys, I'm Mr. C. This is a Maxshine polisher, just got in the mail. Well, UPS, technically. Let's see what we got. Don't mind the dogs barking. Alright, here we go. Let's see. So it looks like they sent me some items here. I got the Maxshine Soft Zero Crazy 600 microfiber towel. Check that out here in a minute. We got a white 5.2 inch foam pad. And let's see what else we got. We got a yellow 5.2 inch foam pad as well. Alright. Invoices. Don't need to know about that. And by the way, I'm not endorsed, sponsored by Maxshine. And we got a blue pad as well. Same size, 5.2. And let's get to the main thing here. The polisher. See what we got. Alright, so a box within the box. Then polisher inside of a bag. Let's see what else we got here. So this is the M15 Pro. Alright. Let's see what else. See how she look. Bag's kind of cool. Alright, here we go. Here's a little small tool bag with a D-handle, silicone grease, Allen wrench, and looks like some extra brushes. Alright. The master warranty information. So it says Shinemaster lifetime guarantee with 1-year comp warranty. Alright. Instruction manual. Here we go. So that looks like that's it for there. If I can get the manual back in the little bag here. Alright, let's see what else. Alright, and the main thing, the polisher. Bag's kind of cool. Looks like it's pretty well built. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Dial feels good. Positive clicking. Good size length cable. Yeah, I like it. Oh, and it's got a lock too. So you can feather it in the platypus head. Feels real good. I like it. Well, we'll see how this thing does the next couple days once I put it through its paces. I should have said this in the beginning, but I'm Mr. C, also known as Carlos, but I go by C. Have a detailing shop, power washing company in Davis, California. You could drop a link down below in the info if you want more information. If you're local, say what's up. But we'll test this polisher out here in the next few days. Everyone have a good day.